Bell crank support. This one's been interesting, but this is the way it will ultimately go in. And what you can see is I have a gap. So we're upside down. Here's the tail. Moving forward, here's the back of the seat. And there's a pilot hole in the kit here and here. So it's going to go perfectly into these dowels when I screw it in. But you can see I have a gap in mine, and that is likely because of the issue I had earlier where I failed to cut the degrees here. So when this thing came together, it's a little bit wider. So that's going to create a bunch of problems for me, I think, when I put the top cover on. If I were to flip this back over, there's going to be a cover going on this side over the top. And that's going to be a problem I'm sure I'm going to have to deal with, as well as dealing with the problem here with this gap I have in the bell crank. I'm going to have to probably trim it a little bit to make it fit flush on both sides. So, but the bell crank will go in like this. That's my next step.